Ever wondered if you can combine the power of Shopify's sleek platform with the vast product catalog of AliExpress? Well, today we're diving into the world of dropshipping and exploring whether AliDropship is the missing piece in your Shopify puzzle. Imagine a store where you can effortlessly list thousands of products from AliExpress, manage orders seamlessly, and enjoy all the benefits of Shopify's robust infrastructure. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding AliDropship and Shopify. AliDropship explained. What is AliDropship? Key features and benefits. How it simplifies the dropshipping process. Shopify overview. A brief introduction to Shopify. Its popularity and reputation. Essential features for online stores. Section 2. The compatibility question. Direct answer. Yes. AliDropship is compatible with Shopify. Explaining the connection. How AliDropship integrates with Shopify. The benefits of using both platforms together. Overcoming potential challenges or limitations. Section 3. Key features and benefits. Product import. Effortless importing of products from AliExpress to Shopify. Customization options for product descriptions, images, and pricing. Order fulfillment. Automated order processing and shipment tracking. Integration with AliExpress suppliers for seamless fulfillment. Theme customization. Creating a unique and professional online store using Shopify themes. Tailoring the design to match your brand and target audience. Marketing tools. Leveraging Shopify's built-in marketing features. Integrating with popular marketing apps for email campaigns, social media, and SEO. Customer support. Accessing support from both AliDropship and Shopify. Combining the strengths of both platforms' customer service. Section 4. A step-by-step guide. Setting up an AliDropship store. Creating an AliDropship account. Choosing a store template and customizing it. Importing products from AliExpress. Connecting AliDropship to Shopify. Installing the AliDropship plugin on your Shopify store. Configuring the plugin settings. Synchronizing products and orders between the two platforms. Managing orders and inventory. Tracking orders and updating inventory levels. Automating fulfillment processes. Handling customer inquiries and returns. Section 5. Real-world examples and testimonials. Case studies. Sharing success stories of dropshippers who have used AliDropship with Shopify. Highlighting the benefits and results achieved. Customer testimonials. Featuring quotes and reviews from satisfied customers. Addressing common concerns and doubts. Section 6. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Summarizing the main advantages of using AliDropship with Shopify. Emphasizing the ease of use and potential for success. Call to action. Encouraging viewers to give it a try and start their own dropshipping business. Providing resources or links for further information. Closing remark. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the world of dropshipping is vast, and AliDropship and Shopify offer a powerful combination for those looking to turn their entrepreneurial dreams into reality.